year, some people at the start of a new year make a resolution, a promise to yourself to be better. I thought about my resolution carefully. I want to be an actor on the stage. Today, I will audition for a show called The Woods Are Alive. Wish me luck. Next. What is your name? My name is Anna Mateo. Are you ready to audition? Yes. Great. Let's begin on page 1. Here is the story. You are lost in the woods. You are searching desperately for a way out. Suddenly, you hear something. Now say your line. What was that? Hello? Is someone there? Anna, you are speaking too softly. Can you speak more loudly and a little more, seriously? What was that? Hello? Is someone there? Is that loud enough? Yes. Yes, that is loud enough. Let's turn to page 25. In this scene, you are moving slowly and quietly through the woods. Anna! Anna! You are walking quickly and loudly. Walk slowly and quietly. I am walking slowly and quietly. I am walking. Anna, Anna, you don't need to say slowly and quietly. All right. Let's try the last scene. Turn to page 48. I say my line first, then you say your line. You will never get out of these woods alive! Mwahahaha! Mwahahaha! Yes, I will. Okay, Anna, you said that line. You said that line really late. You need to say it earlier. Sorry. Let me try again. You will never. Yes, I will. Get out of the woods alive. I was too early, wasn't I? Yes. Yes, you were. How am I doing? You know, Anna, I think I have the perfect part for you. The costume is in the back. Please go try it on. Awesome! Oh, Anna, that fits you perfectly. I'm a tree. I'm a tree. In the woods are alive! Yes! My new year is starting awesomely! Excuse me, director. I have a great idea for my tree. Oh, wait. Till next time.